And remember, when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. But if you deny, indeed, my punishment is severe." This message reminds us to be thankful to Allah for all the blessings He has given us, and to show our gratitude by obeying His commands and doing good deeds. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. This message encourages us to be patient in times of hardship and difficulty, and to seek help from Allah through prayer and supplication. Allah is the best of helpers, and He will reward the patient ones. O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah, even if it be against yourselves or parents and relatives. Whether one is rich or poor, Allah is more worthy of both. So follow not personal inclination, lest you not be just. And if you distort your testimony or refuse to give it, then indeed Allah is ever, with what you do, acquainted. This message commands us to be fair and just in all our dealings, and to stand up for the truth, even if it goes against our own interests or those of our loved ones. Allah is the most just, and He knows everything we do.